I'm here at Haley Cox's home, the insured property over here in Alexandria. We're going to be doing a repair per your guys' request of a repair for all the damaged shingles on the roof. You can just see looking around, this roof is very old, these shingles are very brittle. The field adjuster from Allcat and I both agreed that this roof probably wasn't going to be repairable just because of the stiffness and brittleness of these shingles. But we're just going to be going ahead and attempting to repair per the estimate that was written. You can see we got our damaged shingle right here, clearly wind damaged. This shingle is connected to these two as well. So this kind of area right here marks our scope of work. Today's currently 5/26/22. It's about 60-70 degrees out, so it's plenty warm enough to be attempting this repair. We'll go ahead and start by removing these nails here. Make sure these are all unsealed. We're going to be delicate with these shingles, not to lift them any higher than we just need to get the repair done. Now that we got all these removed, you can see we're already starting to have, if you want to come get a close-up of this, just from removing the nails, we're already starting to see a little bit of creasing form along the tops of these shingles. And if I give it a little bit of a light brushing, right, you can see all these granules just fall out of place. We're already seeing some crease. So we'll pull this shingle on out here. Old shingle aside, grab our new shingle, just go ahead and slide it up in there, and there we go. All right. And once again, being gentle with these shingles, right? Just lifting them high enough to where we can get our hammer under there and successfully nail it in without hitting the top of the other shingle, obviously. And you can see as I hammer, all those granules just falling out of the roof, or out of the shingle rather. Technically they're still on the roof. Oh, okay, so see, I need to actually lift these shingles higher. Like I said, I'm trying to be delicate here, but not lift the shingles too high. But when you have the shingles lower than a certain angle, right, you're gonna risk hitting the top of that shingle. So you can see giving these shingles a brush along the top. We got creasing going all along the tops of these shingles all the way down. So this repair clearly failed. You know, this roof is obviously not repairable. Any attempt to repair these shingles is just going to cause more damage. If you follow me down the roof, you know, we've got effective shingles rather closer towards the eaves. And trying to repair a shingle like this, right? We're going to repair this shingle, which is going to damage these shingles. So we try to repair these shingles, which is going to damage these shingles, going all the way up the roof, creating kind of a chain reaction. Same thing here on the back side. You know, we got damage, and we got damage on these lower parts down here as well. So, you know, any attempts to repair this roof is only going to cause more damage to the insured property, warranting a full replacement. Thanks.